Alright, today we're going to be playing the game Blast Off. So what we're going to do, we are going to fill up our spaceship with food for one day, just like we normally would, going from breakfast, lunch, to snacks, dinner, and any activity we might be doing. We want to make sure we have at least 60 minutes of activity each day, so keep that in mind. Alright, go ahead and click here. So we're going to drag our food or activity choices into the spaceship and learn more about the food or activity choice on the information card. Click Add to your fuel tank to add the food to your tank, or click Add to battery to add the activity to your activity battery. Remove and learn more about your food choices from the menu on the right of the MyPlate spaceship. And when you're done, click Blast Off to see if you have what it takes to make it to Planet Power. Alright, we're going to play the game. Alright, so basically we're going to try and select food from each food group. So we have fruits, vegetables, protein, grains, and dairy. We want to only have about 1,800 calories per day and make sure we're including activity as well. So once we have all of these filled up and the right amount of calories, then we will be able to blast off. So first I'm going to select some things that I might normally have for breakfast. So we're going to add some yogurt. We're going to look here and see that it contains 3/4 of a cup of dairy. So we're going to add that to our fuel tank. And then next we want to see if we can find something with some protein. Alright, so we can have an egg sandwich here, which will kind of have some grains, some dairy, and some protein. So we're going to go ahead and add that to our fuel tank as well. Another thing we want to make sure we have is some fruit. So let's add some strawberries to our fruit category. And that looks like a great breakfast. Do we need anything to drink? How about some apple juice? Alright, so we can add that here, and it has 1/2 cup of fruit. Oh wow! So we just got an alert that we grabbed a 100% fruit juice. So it's basically congratulating us for that choice. Okay, next we're going to move to lunch. Okay, so we didn't really get a lot of vegetables in that last meal, so we want to make sure we're getting some vegetables here. So let's look and see what vegetables we might want. Maybe some carrot sticks, tomato slices, alright. Let's also add like a veggie taco in here. Alright, we got another Star Pilot Award for selecting a whole grain. Alright, let's take a look here at our totals and see how we're doing. We still have snacks and dinner left after lunch, so we might need some more vegetables and maybe some more grains and dairy. So let's find some more vegetables. Okay, let's have some green peas. And let's add some whole wheat crackers. And then how about some fat-free milk? Okay, our levels are looking pretty good right now. Alright, so let's move on to snacks. Alright, so we might want to add something with some protein and either fruits or vegetables. So first let's look for some protein. We might need to go back. Alright, so string cheese should have protein and dairy. Or just dairy here. Let's see if we can find anything that has some protein. How about some beef jerky? Alright, and then maybe some more fruits. How about an apple? Alright, so we just got an alert that we have enough fruit. So let's move on to dinner. Alright, so we definitely need some more vegetables, protein, grains, and dairy. So how about let's have a veggie burger. And that will have protein and grains. Do we want to add anything to it? Maybe add some vegetables to our burger. Maybe a little bit of mustard. All right, so now we have enough protein. We have enough grains as well, and now we need to focus on vegetables and dairy. So let's add some broccoli. And then some dairy. How about some frozen yogurt? I think we deserve that after a day of eating really healthy food. All right, so now we have enough dairy, enough grains, enough protein, enough vegetables, and enough fruit. So now let's move on to our activity. All right, so we have lots of choices here. All right, so I'll add some things that I normally like to do. I like to do some aerobics. And we'll add that here to our activity battery. Oh, right here. All right, let's say about 20 minutes of aerobics. Maybe get some dancing in there. Another 20 minutes. And then some bicycling. Another 20 minutes. All right, so now we have enough battery life and enough calories in all of our food groups to blast off. Way to go, everybody. So this is a great reminder to make great choices whenever you're choosing your own food. And always try to fill your plate up.